Today, we dive deep into one of the most overlooked yet critical moments in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. On June 26, 2025, Brigadier Gininda, the lead investigating officer, took the stand under oath and made a claim that shocked legal observers and geography nerds alike. He said, Mahlabathini and Nongoma are the same place. But here's the thing, they're not. Not by culture, not by distance, and definitely not by law.
Further says, he is not from the same place with the others, Nongoma. He is from Mahlabathini, and Mahlabathini and Nongoma are two places that are different.
Bathi umnumzana ke usibiya ke uyakusho lokho futhi ngokugcwele ukuthi nakaqhamuki ngaphansi kwesigodi noma ngaphansi kwendawo yakwaNongoma kepha kuqhamuka kwindawo yasemahlabathini. Bathi manje le godi lezi igodi ezimbili futhi ezahlukene futhi eziqhelene ezingekho seduze.
No, my lord. My understanding, those names sometimes can be used interchangeably. That's my understanding in that part. They come from the same area. It must be different places within the same area, and those names are used interchangeably. That's what I understand of that area. Because other than this case, while I was doing my work in other unrelated cases, we will visit that case during the course of investigations, and these names, Mahlabathini Nongoma, will be used interchangeably. That's my understanding. So for me, it's one in the same area, depending what name you use, my lord.
Athi ke na ke ufakazi ngokuzwisisa kwakhe ke lapho kathi indawo ke yodwana lena ke kwaNongoma futhi nasemahlabathini athi esikhathini esiningi mangabe kade besesha amacala bavame ukuthi bayike lapho kusesha amanye amacala ngaphandle kwecala leli ke lapho ke athi esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi bavame ukuthi baqhamuka lapho kwamahlabathini abanye bathi baqhamuka lapho kwaNongoma ke athi yena ke uma ngabe esekayikhulumela nje ngenkulumo egcwele mhlawumbe ngokunciphile lapho ke athi ke indawo eyodwana kepha ke indawo enegodi ezahlukile.
So when you say Mahlabathini and Nongoma are words that are used interchangeably, according to you, that specifically refers to the same area. It's either you call it Mahlabathini or Nongoma.
No, my lord. So what I'm saying, my lord, is my understanding of these names. It's a big area. That place, it's almost like Soweto. Then within Soweto, you will get Mufulo South. You will get White City, you will get Meadowlands. So someone will say, I'm going to Meadowlands. Then someone will say, I'm going to Soweto. But you are talking about a vast area within the same geographical area. And I'm saying that is how I understand the two names, my lord.
Bathi manje ushuthi le ndawo ke ushuthi indawo ke bayibiza ngamagama amabili kepha kahlukene leyo ke athi le ndawo ke indawo ke enkulu uma ngabe enze sibonelo athi indawo efana nendawo yaseSoweto ke uma ngabe ngaphansi kwesigodi saseSoweto ke athi kulathola khona ke ezinye igodi ezikhona ngaphansi kwendawo leyo mhlawumbe zahlukene ushuthi ufana naseMfulo naseMeadowlands kepha athi umuntu uyahamba uyeSoweto abe esho ukuthi uyakhona lapho ke sorry my lord. Mr. Sibiya has raised up his hand.
Thank you. Let us cut this very short, Brigadier Gininda. According to Mr. Sibiya, Mahlabathini and Nongoma is not the same place. These are two different places. He is from Mahlabathini and not Nongoma.
Athi athi siqedele le nkulumo sinciphise kathi ngokwenkulumo eqhamuka kumnumzana uSibiya ukuthi akaqhamuki ngaphansi kwesigodi sakwaNongoma kepha uqhamuka ngaphansi kwendawo yasemahlabathini futhi atendawo lezi indawo ezimbili ezahlukene.
So your knowledge would not force him to admit that he's from Nongoma when he's not from Nongoma.
Awuthi ngeke umphoqeke ukuthi asho ukuthi uqhamuka lapha kwaNongoma kepha abe engaqhamuki lapho ke ngaphansi kwesigodi sakwaNongoma.
No, my lord, I'm not compelling him to agree. I was simply indicating my understanding. If he says it's different, that's what he says, my lord.
Athina ke akamphoqi ukuthi asho ukuthi uqhamuka ngaphansi kwendawo lena ke kepha kathi uma ngabe inkulumo iqhamuka kumnumzana uSibiya ukuthi indawo lezi ezimbili indawo zahlukene futhi iqhamuka kule ndawo ethize kwindawo ethize yasemahlabathini athi yebo inkulumo yakhe ke leyo.
Thank you.
Let's break down the facts, the map, and the possible motive behind this misrepresentation and why it matters in a court of law. Under cross-examination, Brigadier Gininda was asked about the origins of one of the accused, Mr. Sibiya. He replied that Mahlabathini is under Nongoma, suggesting they are one and the same, or at least administratively linked. This wasn't a casual error. This was a sworn statement, made in the presence of the judge, legal counsel, and media. Sounds like a minor detail, right? But in legal terms, where precision matters, that kind of statement can mislead the court, frame perception, and muddy the waters around identity and jurisdiction. Let's go to the facts. Open up Google Maps or just follow the link in the description below. Here's Mahlabathini, and over 160 kilometers away, here's Nongoma. Mahlabathini is located at approximately negative 30.68 latitude, 30.15 longitude. Nongoma is located around minus 27.89 latitude, 31.64 longitude. They're not suburbs. They're not next-door villages. They're in different districts entirely. Mahlabathini in the Zululand district, Nongoma in the same named municipality, but separated by geography, tribal leadership, and local governance. If you were driving, that's almost 3 hours apart. So what's the big deal? Well, when an investigating officer of Gininda's rank, the very person tasked with truth-finding, conflates two clearly separate places, it raises several red flags. Witness credibility is undermined. Defendants can be unfairly profiled based on inaccurate origins. Jurisdictional authority can be challenged. Cultural and tribal nuances are erased. And, most importantly, it suggests the possibility that Gininda is willing to misrepresent facts under oath. And that opens the door to a much darker implication. If he's misleading the court about something as verifiable as geography, what else is he possibly distorting? Let's not pretend this is just a mistake. Brigadier Gininda has shown a pattern throughout the trial, where facts are twisted, vague statements are made, and evidence is presented without full context. His job is to present facts, not fiction. Was he trying to consolidate Mr. Sibia's identity into a certain narrative? Was he simplifying geography for the court, or intentionally linking Sibia to a specific location with a heavier criminal implication? Whatever the motive, the damage is done, and the defense knows it. Because if your lead investigator can't even tell the court where a suspect is from accurately, then how can we trust him on forensics, cell phone records, or video evidence? The truth is not elastic. You can't stretch it, reshape it, or twist it to fit your narrative, especially in a courtroom where a man's life is on the line. Mahlabathini is not Nongoma, and Gininda, whether carelessly or intentionally, lied to the court. What else is being covered up? What other facts are actually fiction? This trial has cost South African taxpayers millions. The least we deserve is accuracy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no-nonsense analysis. This is the Hot Seat Essay, where the truth gets cross-examined.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.